Welcome to our tutorial on how to use Instagram direct messages. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you can find this messenger kind of icon. Tap on it. Now at the top, you can see this search bar. Just tap on it and type in the name of the person whom you want to text. Now all you have to do is type in the text that you want to send at the bottom message box in this way. And now you can tap on the option of send. Likewise, in the case you want to send the voice message, you can tap on this one icon. Likewise, in the case you want to send pictures or stickers, you can use these icons. In the case you want to click right away picture and send it, you can tap on this camera kind of icon and click it and send it. Likewise, if you want to video call or call it, you can choose these icons given at the top right corner. This is how you can use direct messages on your Instagram. Likewise, you can apply the same process and text other people as well. I hope you guys are clear about how to use Instagram direct messages. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.